Hi, I'm Rex. Today we'll be highlighting one of our features available on our data dissemination tool, data.census.gov. With so much data available on our site, users may not know where to begin. So, today I will be showing you how to use our Explore Filters button and complete your search by adding the filters that you needed in data.census.gov. We believe that this is a good start for your search. Let's take a look. To get started, let's go to data.census.gov and click on Explore Filters button located beneath the single search bar. This page allows you to use filters as guided approach to browse all available options and precisely select them without having to come up with your own search terms. Filters allow you to access all available search options, including geography, topic, survey, year, code, and more detailed options that are not supported through the single search bar. The search box directly at the top of the filter panel allows you to select predefined search options to quickly choose your topic, geography, year, survey, or code without clicking through the filter panel. You must input an exact text match to find a filter, and you must click the checkbox for the desired filter in order to select it. You can also search within filter panels when you select a filter option. Each filter option has a search bar at the top of the panel that allows you to type in a keyword and bring up a list of results that match your entry without having to scroll through the list. You must also input an exact text match in order to find a result. In addition, you can use the alphabetically A to Z scroll bars or numerical 0 to 9 scroll bars in filter panels as well to find your desired filter. Just click or tap a letter or a number to jump to its corresponding section in the list. This feature is added to many of the filter panels to select geographies, population groups, and codes in data.census.gov. We usually recommend that you select the geography first, so from the left side of the screen. Under Geographies, you can see a list of 10 most popular types of geographic areas, followed by a filter for all geographies where you can access more complex geographies. Click on a geography level you want results for. Then you drill down through levels of geography, usually state first, until you find your desired one, and check the box to make your final selection. The filter panel also allows you to select collections of geographies in bulk by clicking a single checkbox. Make sure it's added to your selected filters in the upper left. Next, we'll look at topics. Navigate to the topics heading on the left. The topics filters not only let you to select topic filter from different categories, but also allow you to select detailed race, ethnicity, ancestry, and country of birth population groups. These filters include checkboxes that allow you to select collections of population groups in a single click. For example, all available tribes or available ancestries. Under the survey heading, you can zero in right away on a survey that you need without having to look through a long list of options. For example, if we click on the first option for the American Community Survey, you can choose whether you want to look at the 1-year estimates, the 5-year estimates, or even make your final selection for the 1-year supplemental estimates. Then, if you click on either the 1-year or 5-year estimates, you can find the data products that are available. Let's look at the 1-year estimates by clicking on it. You can see that you have all the different data products available for selection. This same type of setup occurs with the other surveys as well. There are more surveys or programs you can choose from under this surveys filter panel. But of course, if you don't know which survey or program you should use, you don't have to use this filter. You can still find census data through the topics or geography filters, or even just typing in a single search bar. But if you do want to specify a particular survey or program, we hope you find this a much easier navigational option. Moving further down the categories, the years filter allows you to select the vintage or year of data you prefer. Just check the box next to it to make your final selection. Keep in mind though, you can only select one vintage at a time. So if you're not sure what years are available for the data you're looking for, you don't have to select any. You can always select your year later from the table or the map view. Last but not least, there is a codes filters. You can select industry, commodity, material fuel, product and service, or occupation codes here. The site also supports options to select collections of codes in bulk. For example, all available NAICS. Additionally, please ensure that after choosing your desired filters, you click the search button in the lower right corner to view your search results. I hope this tutorial provided insight on how to search the filter through our Explore Filters page. We plan to continue making improvements to the Explore filters and to make searching in data.census.gov quicker and easier. Please send us your feedback about the filters panel, as well as any question you have about using the filters. Thank you.